Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I am going to show you how to remove and replace the door handles from any Opel Corsa from the year 2005 and up. This is how the door handles are looking and working on this car, and in today's episode I'm going to show you all how to replace and how to remove the rear door handle on this car. The method and the steps which you'll have to follow are exactly the same. Doesn't matter on which side you are starting, the method is exactly the same. So as you can see, right here you'll have this little hole, and inside there you'll see one screw which you'll have to remove using a torx 15. So normally you'll have this rubber over the hole like I do on this door, but on the rear door, from what I can see, it's missing, so I don't have to worry about it and about removing it. So to begin, what you have to do is to open the door, and you'll have to remove the rubber piece if you have it. And if you don't have it, you don't have to worry about it. You can just take your tool and remove the little screw from inside the door. And also, I recommend all, before removing the little screw, I recommend all to open the door, and you'll have to hold the door handle. You'll have to hold it opened into the exterior, like I do right here. And only after that you can go ahead and remove the bolt the rest of the way. Because if you don't do this, when you are going to remove the door handle, you'll not be able to remove it completely, and you'll not be able to install it back on the car in the same way, because there is a little bracket inside the door, and if you don't hold it opened before removing the door handle, it will be very difficult for you to install it back on the door. So as you can see, you don't have to remove the little bolt from inside the door completely out of the door. You only have to undo it a little bit, and after that the top part from the handle will come out, and you'll be able to remove the door handle completely from the car after that. So as you can see, this is how the door handle is looking. You'll have to put it back in this position, and you'll have to slide it in this way. And as you can see, now it's mounted on the car, and you won't be able to open the door unless you put the screw back and unless you assemble all of the pieces. So as you can see right here, you'll have to open the door from inside it, and only after that you can go ahead and put the rest of the parts back on the door, and you'll have to screw the little bolt, and that's it. Just follow what I'm doing. I'm going to put this piece back on the door, and I'm going to tighten the screw from inside the door. And as you can see, you don't have to hold the door handle anymore, because as you're tightening the bolt, the door handle will be grabbed from inside the door, and it will pull it automatically inside the door, and it will close it. So just follow what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm tightening the bolt, and the door handle just slide in very easy. And now the bolt is fully tightened, and from here, that's all I have to do. As you can see, the door is closing, the door is opening, and this is all you have to do if you want to remove your door handles from any Opel Corsa from the year 2005 and up. So as you can see, doesn't matter on which side you are starting, doesn't matter if you want to remove the front door handle or if you want to remove the rear door handle, the method and the steps which you'll have to do are exactly the same. So from here, thank you all for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.